Hello and welcome back to G and Sons Gardens. We got my dad here, G, and you know what? It's early in May, but we planted these things about 3 weeks ago, and they're taking off pretty good. So what we're gonna do is kind of do a little pruning to them, but we harvest. So we got some scissors and a little colander bowl. We're just gonna go ahead and just take some salad off.
Okay, we'll start with the front one.
Simple technique. You just go in low and cut it. And what this is going to do, it's going to promote new growth. It's going to let the sun hit more of the stalk. Oh, we got to lettuce down.
We'll got to lettuce down.
We'll get it. Don't worry, we'll save it. Good lettuce.
It's all getting rinsed.
Oh, there's another one. We'll get that one. Sorry for my erratic camera movement. I was just jumping for the lettuce. You know how it is. And this is a variety lettuce, so I think there's like 4 to 5 different breeds in here, all growing together, so it's a little bit of a jumbled mess. So that's another reason why we want to come in here and clean it up.
Ooh, look at that one.
Man, let's see it. Show it to the camera.
Look at that one.
Dang.
Pretty, huh?
Yeah. You know, there's no right or wrong way. You know, you just want to definitely just make room for new growth. You want to enjoy healthy salads all year. Just takes a little bit of loving.
Let's see here. This one. That one.
Basically just start from the outside, working our way towards the intersection of each salad plant.
Without cutting the very center, because it'll stop the growth of it. So you always want to leave the little leaves in the center, never cut them off. So let's see if we can kind of show you. See that little leaf right there? You don't want to cut that. You leave that alone and cut the bigger ones on the outside.
That could quite possibly be one of our dogs dying over there. Don't mind that.
Choking on lettuce. I think.
All right, and we'll come back when we get a little more trimmed and show you an update.